Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
What's your name?
My name is Khoa.
How old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I live in Đồng Nai.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Okay. Now let's begin with numbers. Okay. What number is this?
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5.
Very good. Now let's talk about animals. What animal is this?
A cat.
Cat says.
Cat says meow meow. It's a bird.
Bird says.
Bird says chip chip.
What can the bird do?
Bird says
Bird can.
bird says fly.
What animal is this?
A dog.
Dog says.
Dog says wow wow.
Do you like a dog?
Yeah.
What code is this?
It's a heart. It's a t-shirt. It's a red.
Thanks. What are you wearing? I'm wearing.
T-shirt is top.
What is this?
It's a chair. It's a fan. It's a table.
What can you do with a chair? I can.
I can see a chair.
I can sit on.
I can sit on a chair.
Good. Now let's sing the song. If there was a farmer had a dog want to go. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and B was his name. Now let's say a chant. I can see a table. Want to go?
I can see a table. I can see a fan.
I can see
Picture.
everywhere. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye and see you again.
Okay, to see you again.